Pompeii has always been one of history's most dramatic stories, an entire Roman city frozen in time after Mount Vesuvius erupted in AD 79. But what many people don't know is that some of Pompeii's most beautiful frescoes weren't damaged once. They were shattered again during World War II. Now imagine trying to reassemble thousands of tiny fragments with no reference pictures. It's archaeology's ultimate puzzle. That's why a team from the EU-funded repair project stepped in with something new. A robotic system designed to help archaeologists rebuild the ancient works faster and more accurately. The robot uses two high-precision arms, flexible grippers and advanced image recognition to identify fragile fragments without damaging them. Meanwhile, AI algorithms analyze colors, patterns and edges, sometimes spotting connections the human eye would completely miss. To keep the original safe, researchers trained the system on replica fragments first, then tested it at Pompeii under real-world conditions. And here's why this matters to you. This technology isn't limited to ancient history. The same AI and robot combo could shape the future of US museums, historic preservations, digital archiving, and even industries that rely on precision assembly. We're looking at the future where robots don't just build the new, they help restore the old. Pompeii's past is being reconstructed piece by piece, and thanks to robotics, we're finally seeing images that haven't existed for nearly 2,000 years. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, head over to RoboPhil website to join the waiting list or to speak to the team about robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from RoboPhil. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.